Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a pin in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some pins, some suggestions. From here we just tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen. Then we tap on pin. And here to upload images we have to give permission to the Pinterest app to access our gallery. And we can give permission by tapping on next and then tapping on allow access, and now we are redirected to the settings app, and we can give permission here, but yeah, that's basically how you do it. You just give permission and then select a picture from your gallery to post as a pin. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.